Good morning. Do you remember our two ants? Do you remember? Yes. The big ant is Ben. Okay. Then the small ant is Sun. Okay. Who is the big ant? Ben. Who is the small ant? Sun. Who is big? Who is big? Ben. Who is small? Sun. Okay. They are good friends. Then now we can draw the picture of ants. Okay? Picture of two ants. Okay. We can draw the big ant. Okay? We can draw the big ant. All students please listen here. Don't look anywhere. Only look me. Okay? Only look that picture. We can draw a beautiful picture of one ant. Okay? One big ant and one small ant. Okay? Okay? Are you ready? Okay. Listen here. First we can draw the head of the ant. Okay. Draw this. Everybody take one paper and draw this. Like this. Okay? Then do like this. Okay? Like this. Okay? Simple. Then, okay, join here. Okay? Okay? Okay. Then, we can draw like this. Okay? Okay? Okay. Then we can draw the two eyes of ants. We can draw the mouth. Okay, simple. Then draw one line here. Okay. Okay, then one line too. Okay, listen here, then here also. Okay, okay, okay. Then we can draw the legs. How many legs? And have how many legs? 6 legs. 6. Okay, we can draw 6 legs here. Okay, listen here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 legs. Then 1, 2, 3. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Is it big or small? Big. Okay, very good. Big. Okay. Then we can draw the small ant. Okay? Like this. Same. Okay. Don't make noise. Okay. Listen here. 2 eyes, 2 small eyes. Then here like this. Okay. And draw one mouth. Here like this. Like this. Okay. We can draw the legs. Okay? Okay, 6 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Is it big or small? Big or small? Small. Okay. What is the name of our big ant? Ben. Okay. Big ant is Ben. Big ant is Ben. And the small ant is Sun. Okay. Do you like these pictures? You draw these pictures with the help of your parents. Okay? Okay. Then the two ants go to a park. What do you mean by park? Park? Yeah. നമ്മൾ കളിക്കുന്ന സ്ഥലത്തിനാണ് എന്ത് പറയുക? Park. We can see loads of in that park. Loads of playthings. Like swing. Swing means ഊഞ്ഞാൽ. Then seesaw. Very good. Then slide. Okay. Like that. Then we can see so many trees. Then grass. Okay. Then slides. Okay. We can see so many things in that park. We can draw that. Sorry, we can write that. The two ants, Ben and Sun, go to a park. Where? Park. Ben and Sun, they are good friends. They go to a park. They reach that park. Okay, park. They reached that park. Okay, we can see loads of things in that park. What are the things? What is this? What is this? We can see this in the park. What is this? Swing. Okay, swing. Then seesaw. Very good, seesaw. Then we can see slides. So many slides in that park. Okay, we can see so many flowers. We can see so many flowers in that park. We can see trees. Good. Trees. We can see swing. The swing moves like this. Okay, back and forth. The swing moves like this, back and forth. Back and forth. Swing. Then seesaw. Okay. Then slides. Then flowers. Okay, very good. We can write that in board. Okay. All of you, please listen here. Don't make noise, okay? Write park here. P A R K. Park. What is the spelling? P A R K. Park. Okay. P A R K. Park. Okay. We can see loads of things in that park. Okay. Swing. Swing means ഊഞ്ഞാൽ. S W I N G. Swing. S W I N G. Swing. Swing means ഊഞ്ഞാൽ. ഊഞ്ഞാലിന്റെ മൂവിങ് എങ്ങനെയാണ്? Like this. We can say that back and forth. Back and forth. Okay. Next one. Seesaw. S E E. Seesaw. S A W. Seesaw. Seesaw. Move like this. Up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Seesaw moves like this. Spelling S-E-E-S-A-W. Seesaw. Then we can see so many trees. Okay. Trees. T-R-E-E-S. Trees. Then, okay, flowers. Fellow W-E-R-S, flowers. Then so many grass. R-A-S-S, grass. G-R-A-S-S, grass. Grass means പുല്ലുകൾ. Okay. G-R-A-S-S, grass. Then flowers. F-L-O-W-E-R-S, flowers. F-L-O-W-E-R-S, flowers. Then we can see so many other things. Okay, you just identify that things. Okay, today we studied loads of things. Ben, Sen, they go out to play. They reached in a park. Okay, they see so many things in that park. We write that here. Okay, you just study these things. Tomorrow onwards we can see. Okay, bye.